Okay, my name is Phone Guru. My name everybody know me as Kido. Um, but I'll teach you on how to block video calls and voice call on your WhatsApp. Okay, before I start, please kindly hit the like button and please subscribe so you can see my latest video. Okay, so if you want to block a video call or voice call on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to stop someone disturbing you on WhatsApp. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp here. So this is it. So you want to block video calls on your phone and voice call. First thing you have to do, you go to your settings. That's your full settings. Then you go to applications and default. That's it. Then you find your WhatsApp. So it's still loading. Still loading. So you find your WhatsApp here. This is your WhatsApp. Then you click on your WhatsApp. So you can see through this permission here. You click on your permission. Then you can see the list of things. This is your camera. This camera, when you activate it, it will allow you to have connection with the other guy, the other person trying to call you on video call. Then if you want to block video call, you off the camera here. I've offed it. And if you want to block voice call, so you off the mouth phone, and that's it. That's it. So so you can just set it like this. Definitely it's really working enough. If you want to try to call anybody, or if anyone tries to call you, you have to ask for the permission before you can receive anything. So this you can see like this. See, it's asking for your permission, so it's blocked. So that's all. Thanks.